Nvidia quietly prepares to abandon a $40 billion ARM bid. There's a change. That's a change.
It's a $40 billion change.
We talked about this a little while ago at this point, but there was talks, a proposal for Nvidia to buy ARM. And there was some pushback at the time that they would be too powerful. It would consolidate too much in the chip making space to have them as the same company. So there was some resistance, and also around the business model of ARM. Like ARM they do the designs for the chips, right? Mm-hmm. And so a lot of companies kind of depend on them that also make chips, and just sort of, hey, I guess it's kind of like the Activision deal where people got concerned that, oh, wait a sec.
Call of Duty.
What about Call of Duty? Am I going to get it on my Sony or whatever?
Sony's?
On my Sony?
Yeah.
And it's kind of like that. Like, could it create a conflict where, it could be an anti-competitive scenario? Nvidia has told partners it does not expect, so this is the new news, that they think they're going to get shut down. Those pesky regulators. Mm-hmm. Nvidia has told partners that it doesn't expect the transaction to close, according to one person who asked not to be identified because the discussions are private. SoftBank, meanwhile, is stepping up preparations for an ARM initial public offering as an alternative to the Nvidia takeover, another person said. The acquisition also faces resistance in China. The U.S. Federal Trade Commission first, they sued to stop the transaction in December, arguing that Nvidia would become too powerful if it gained control of ARM's chip designs. We now control the designs.
Oh.
We now exclusive designs. I watched Dune, remember?
Who's that in Dune?
I don't know. Somebody in Dune has that voice. Oh, Harkonnen.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I can see that.
That's my favorite guy in the whole thing.
He's your boy?
When they first see him and he's bent over. The villain. I'm talking, I guess he's the villain of the movie.
Yeah. What? Who's the...
I don't know. Don't ask me his name.
I know because he's in Good Will Hunting. He was the professor.
Yeah, don't... Oh, the actor. You want the actor's name.
Yeah.
Oh.
Anyways.
Good Will Hunting, wasn't that Robin Williams?
No, the other guy.
Oh. Okay, you're going to actually do this right now.
Okay.
You're going to take up everybody's afternoon here?
No, let's continue.
No.
Skarsgård.
Easy. Anyway, the character has a lot of prosthetics and things going on, so
yeah,
it's a whole new thing, anyways.
He's
but
like a very bloated character.
Yeah, bloated, and he floats, and it's just he's by far the most fun thing in the movie.
Sure,
like to see him going around, and he's always having those baths and stuff.
Yeah, he's taking his time, that's for sure.
But he's also so angry, and he needs his resources.
He likes his spice.
Am I spoiling anything? I don't think we spoiled.
No.
I don't think we spoiled anything. No. Anyway, he definitely wants the chip designs. If he can get them, that guy, he'll take it. Anyways, so there's also resistance in China, and the authorities there don't like the takeover. So they don't expect it to get that far, though, because the U.S. is already in. So anyway, a lot of people don't like it. They put their deal together, and everyone's like, yeah, right. However, the Activision deal, they put it together and everyone's like, yeah, right, seems good.
Yeah, works out.
But the Activision deal, well, it was more money. It was, what was it? $70 billion. Mm-hmm. It was more money, but I guess it wasn't quite as, it didn't have quite as much potential to overwhelm the whole, like there's enough other developers, game makers.
Can you imagine Sony buys ARM? It's like, take that, Microsoft.
Wow.
I don't know if that makes any sense, but...
They get the chip designs.
Yeah. It's like, we can do a big deal, too.
You know? Oh, they just want to spend $40 billion. Yeah. No, actually, that's why...
You got your 70, I got
That's
40.
why a lot of other development companies, software development companies, game developers, that's why the value went up the day after the deal, because they were thinking, oh, Sony's going to make a splash now.
Right.
They're going to go buy
one of us one day.
I don't know. Capcom went up and a couple of other local Japanese developers. So